Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is the daily vocab session. In this session, we discuss 5 words daily, which are important for exams like SSC, CGL, CHSL, CPO, CDS, IBPS, railways, defense exams, and all other different competitive exams. This session is also very helpful for those who want to improve their vocabulary. So, without wasting much time, let's start the session. Our first word is derogatory. Derogatory means showing a critical or disrespectful attitude. So derogatory means something that is disrespectful. कोई भी चीज़ जो अपमानजनक हो, जो किसी दूसरे को नीचा दिखाने के लिए की गई हो, that is known as derogatory. So similar words are disparaging and belittling. Let's look at the examples. The public criticized the basketball team owner after he made derogatory remarks about minorities. So here the derogatory means like disrespectful remarks that the owner made about the minorities. Okay, the next example is when talking about his rival, the politician made a derogatory statement that became a trending topic on Twitter. So, in this sentence, also the derogatory conveys the same meaning, that a disrespectful statement or being disrespectful. Our next word is premonition. Premonition means a strong feeling that something is about to happen, especially something unpleasant or something bad. So प्रीमोनिशन मीन्स कोई भी चीज़ जो आपको आभास हो पहले से कि कुछ बुरा होने वाला है, उस फीलिंग को बोलते हैं, दैट इज़ इट इज़ नोन एज प्रीमोनिशन. सो सिमिलर वर्ड्स आर forewarning, presentiment, and intuition. So we have intuition that something might go wrong, so that intuition is known as premonition. Let's look at the examples of this word. Before the accident, Sang mentioned he had a premonition something bad was going to happen on the road trip. So Sang is the name of a person who had a premonition that something might happen, and it actually happened. So our next sentence is the investor sold all his stocks after having a premonition about the market crashing. So here also the premonition has the same meaning, that intuition that something bad is about to happen. Our next word is elude. Elude means to escape from or avoid a danger, enemy, or pursuer, typically in a skillful or a cunning way. So that someone is approaching you, maybe it's enemy or danger or anything that you want to avoid, and you avoid that thing or person in a very skillful and cunning way, that is known as elude. Similar words are to escape, evade, or avoid. ओके तो किसी भी चीज़ से बच के निकल जाना, किसी भी चीज़ को टालना, या फिर उससे छुप के निकल जाना, दैट इज़ नोन एज elude. The criminal was able to elude the police in the crowded mall. So you got the meaning here. Elude means to escape. Because the convict developed a foolproof escape plan, he was able to elude capture for over 12 years. So here also elude means to avoid or to escape the capture. Okay, so let's move to the next word, which is flutter. Flutter means to move lightly or quickly. इसका सिंपल मीनिंग एक हिंदी में आपको बेटर वे में समझ में आएगा, दैट फड़फड़ाना जो होता है ना, एक क्विक मूवमेंट ऑफ लाइक विंग्स ऑफ अ बर्ड, और किसी पेपर का या फिर किसी भी चीज़ का एक क्विक मूवमेंट जिससे वो ऐसा लगे फ्लोट कर रहा है और समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, फड़फड़ाना इज़ द राइट वर्ड in Hindi. Okay, so it has similar meaning. Similar words are float, hover, or flitter. You will get a better idea about this word after looking the examples. The hummingbirds flutter their wings so quickly that a person can barely see the wings at all. So here the flutter means to float or to move very quickly and rapidly. Several pieces of paper flutter on the desk since the window was left open on a windy day. So कोई ऐसा दिन था जिस दिन हवा बहुत तेज़ चल रही थी, सो विंडो अगर खुली छूट गई तो लाइक पेपर्स जो भी टेबल पे थे दे स्टार्टेड फ्लटरिंग. Okay, so our last word is dilate. Dilate means to make or become wider, larger or more open. So dilate simply means किसी भी चीज़ को बड़ा कर देना, चौड़ा कर देना, वाइड करना, थोड़ा चौड़ा करना, बड़ा करना, थोड़ा ओपन करना. That is known as dilate. To make it little dilate. Okay, so similar words are widen, enlarge, and expand. Okay, let's look at the examples. Examples are: the pupils of your eyes dilate when you enter a dark room. So its effect, you all know that when we enter in a dark room, our pupil of the eye dilate. The blood vessels then dilate, allowing blood to flow more easily. So here also dilate has the same meaning, that to widen. Our blood vessels like become large or like expands when for allowing the blood flow. Okay, so we have discussed 5 words for today's session. Let's have a quick revision over them. Our first word was derogatory, which means showing a critical or disrespectful attitude or disparaging behavior. Next word was premonition, which means intuition that something bad is about to happen. Our third word was elude. Elude means to escape, evade, or avoid. Fourth word was flutter. Flutter means to move quickly or rapidly, or to float. And our last word was dilate. Dilate means to make something wider or like enlarge or expand. So that's all for today, guys. If you have liked this session, it's good. If you haven't, please like the session and subscribe to the channel for the regular updates. We upload these vocab session daily. So I will see you in the next one. Thank you.